Hi guys, it's been a long time, about, I don't know, 6 months, probably a year since I've done a car one, but that's because I had a car that was, it was too dumb to do anything with, really. So things have changed and I now have a new car. Show you? Yep, she's another Astra. She's a 2007 SRI 1.6 turbo petrol, so she goes like stink in 180 brake horsepower, I think it was. She has most of the things that I had, like she has cruise control already, and I've added the rain sensor. This time this one just seems to stick to the windscreen. Same as the old one, but without the bracket, it just works, which is odd, I know. But yeah, there's things I do want to do, like eventually I'll get the electric seats and I'll do the folding mirrors again. Really should have kept hold of those with my old car, but yeah. Well, anyway, point of today is one of my headlights is out. So I thought I'd do a little video explaining how to replace them. Most people will know, but some noobs probably won't. So yeah, I'm going to do all the bulbs, including the fog light. So yeah, I'm just going to go and get the bulbs and set up, and I'll be back in a minute. Right, so here we go, I'm back. Now, as you know, on the Astras, you've got a number of bulbs in the cluster: main beam, side light, low beam, and obviously indicator. Well, we're not doing anything with the indicators, so we won't bother with those. But first off, I'm going to replace these two. So to do that, if you look down in here, you'll see that round rubber cover. It'll pop off, and in there will be the two like bulb holders. You just pull them out, put new bulbs in, and so on. So yeah, one thing I am going to do is put on glove to handle the bulbs, because from what I can understand, I was told years ago, but it was, yeah, if your hands touch the glass on the bulb, the oils in your skin can cause the glass to develop hot spots when it's on, so, and cause the premature failure. And just for reference, these are the bulbs for the main beam, H1s, and you've got obviously side light bulbs. I think H7s are the low beam, and H1s are the spotlights. I have all of them, so I do them all. But I'm having a bit of fun trying to get this bloody glove on, so I will come back in a sec. I'm back, and as you can see, there isn't much room in my engine bay, because it's a big engine and a turbo. So I'm going to have to remove the airbox top so I can get access to there. And this side I might be okay with just removing that, but we'll keep an eye. So yeah, got my trusty toolbox, rusty as hell, I know, and I'll get on with that. So remove the top of the airbox, don't have to remove all of it, but you can see I can now get better access to the light thing. Let's see if I can get the light on so you can see. There we go. Right, there's the main one, and the side light is just up until, well, actually maybe that's the side light. Yeah, I think that's the side light, and then the main bulb is for the main beam is just below it. So I'll come back once that's done, and if I find anything interesting along the way, I will stop and make note of it. Right, after a bit of finagling and swearing, I realise I can't really get access, so I'm going to have to remove the airbox. And to do that, it's quite simple. It's just bolt up here. I think there's one down there somewhere as well. I might be wrong, but I will let you know. So yeah, Yeah, the joys. Big engine, small space. So it turns out it was only that bolt. It has like a squishy thing on it. I think you can just pull that out if you don't want to take the bolt off. But mine had a pipe, that my other car didn't, that went down into that hole. So when you're pulling out, check for that. But now, look at the access. So yeah, see if I get anywhere with this. Now you're going to have to excuse the fact that it's going to be upside down, but here we go. I found in here, there's the side light, the black one, and the main beam is in the middle obviously. Now it looks like you've got two metal clips that you have to pinch to get it off. Sorry I can't give you a camera view, but yeah, you push them back and they fall down, he says, and they don't fall down. You can see I think I got one out but not the other. Oh, come on, there we go. Right, so yeah, they just push back and pull and spring out, so then you just pull out the bulb, making reference to which side the flat bit is on. I know there's a little lip that it goes against, but it makes things easier. So you can take it out or it can fall out on its own. So here we go. There is the old one. Now they were working, but I'm doing one. I thought if I do all of them together, it will, you know, everything will be reset to the same, so the bulbs will last longer and such like. So give me a sec to get the new bulb out, and I will do that. Just thought this first, no, never mind. Right, so there's the new one. I've gone for Xeon Ice White, I think they're called, or Ice Blue maybe, I can't remember now. But yeah, there's the new one. See, I've got my glove on so I don't touch the bulb, and I will install it, and also the side light, which is the same kind of bulb, well, same colour, but you all see those, so that's pretty simple. You just pull out that black bit, the bulb comes with it, you put a new one in. Right, I'll put them in. I don't know if you can see, there's that one, and I've also done the side light, which you can't see from this angle, and give them a quick test. Main and hold on, let's have a look. Side light, main beam works. Bloody annoying beeping sound. And side light works. So now we're on to the most annoying one, the headlight, the low beam headlight. Now that, you can see up there, where is it? There's a door somewhere up there. There it is. Just here. Really gone. Right, there, right. There is a door that opens out and it allows you to get access to the main headlight, or the low beam, which is bloody annoying, but yeah, because you have to do it all blind. Once I get it off, I'll show you where the thing is, where you have to take off and what have you, because there's another one of those rubber plug things. Yeah, back in a sec. Right, here we go. Let's see, there's now a hole. Now you can see there's that big black circular thing, right there. That is the back of the light. So you pull that rubber off. Right, quick update. So you see the bulb has the circular pit and the little flange sticking out. Now that little flange lines up with that tiny little bit there. So it goes along the side of it. These two go into the groove and it lines it all up inside there. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you know for people that are struggling with it. After a lot of fighting, I managed to get the damn thing in. I don't know if you can see. There it is. And basically the bracket that holds the bulb has two flanges on it that slot under those silver bolts. There's one on each side. So you basically got to get it in the right place and twist it so they lock into place. It can be a pain in the arse like this one was, but it's done. Right, after that faff, I've put the rubber seal back on, so it should be fine. Just going to give it a quick test. Turn the headlights on. Well, that's a good start. So, hey, it's working. Woohoo! Difference: yellow, white, and yeah, the side lights are on, the main beam's on. So all that's left now is the fog light. And as I said, now I'll do the fog light. As we know, the fog lights are on the front, funnily enough. But to get to them, you have to go underneath. I think you should be able to see it. Yeah, you see that star-shaped thing? That is the cover. You twist it, well, unscrew it, and it will pop off, and the bulb is underneath. And the H3s, and it says on the box, are like that. They have a cable, like a cord coming off the bottom of them that you just plug in, and off you go. Now, if I see anything interesting or difficult, I will make a adaptation to the video. If not, you will see it once it's finished. Right, after fiddling around, the fog light is fixed. Now, when I got into the fog light, I discovered that it's got the same kind of clips as the main beam, two little springy things, and these ones you have to push into the middle and pull out, and obviously the reverse is push them in and let go, but that's the only difference. But yeah, so now done side lights, fog lights, main beam and dip beam. So yeah, now I've just got to put my car back together and it will be good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, as it will help me, and there will be a few more videos on this one, because there's an issue. There's the always issue of the horn and the lights thing, which I've got to sort out. I was going to do a video on that. I think that's about it for that bit. Yeah, don't know what else I can do. Maybe find something to do on it. But yeah, I will say bye bye for now, and I'll catch you all later.